Hi there, I'm Clare and I'm a portfolio specialist at an investment manager called Stewart Investors. When I first started working with Alessandra over a year ago, I was in a very senior executive role. I'd built a high-performing team around me and I was sitting at the top table of my firm. However, I was really unhappy. My role had become very focused on corporate things and it had become very unfulfilling to me. While I really enjoyed working with the team that I built, my day-to-day job was not what I wanted to do, and I didn't really feel that it was leveraging my strengths. I was pretty burnt out, coming out of the pandemic with its long days of video calls and managing a family of young children. When I started working with Alessandra, the first and most important thing that we did was really figuring out what I wanted from my life and my job. Secondly, we worked on clarifying my value, the things that I was good at and the unique contribution that I could make. I have to say this took a little while as my confidence was pretty low, but Alessandra's very intuitive and able to tease things like that out. Putting all of those things together made it really clear to me that I was in the wrong job and I needed to make a change. It was while I was working with Alessandra that an opportunity came up for me within my own firm to make a diagonal move. I made the move to the new role several months ago and it's transformed my life. I would say the thing that differentiates Alessandra from other coaches I've worked with is they have tended to be very focused on solving the immediate problem to hand and with tactical solutions, whereas Alessandra is more strategic and enables you to take that long view on your career and your life. I definitely would not have had the same results with a different coach. So if you want to figure out how to be successful in a job that you love, then I highly recommend working with Alessandra to make that come about.